Hello guys, welcome to another video. Happy to have you here. So today we're going to be looking at another wonderful library which is called pronounced chat.js. It's an amazing library that I have used in the past, and it does some awesome things. So what does chat.js allow you to do? So from the name, it allows you to build chats, to integrate chats into your projects, and to have an amazing to have some amazing animations. So as you can see, you can build charts that represent different informations and different data sets. So for example, you can have some bar charts, you can have some pie charts, and you can have these graphs which represents different types of data. So if you're building a project which requires you to display maybe the performance of some KPIs or maybe some metrics, definitely you want to make use of this plugin or this library or this framework into your project. So it's a JS framework. You can easily integrate it to all of your web projects. So it's open source. It allows you to have some charts, HTML5 canvas, and very much responsive. So you want to head on to chatjs.org and have a look at them. So let's just see a couple of the things it's able to do and have an idea for our own self. So going to chat.js, you're going to have a whole lot of options here. So you can generate some bar charts, and here's an example of the bar charts you can generate. You see the beautiful animations, and keep in mind that you can customize all of this, customize the matrix, customize the colors, and even the shapes and sizes of everything. So here you have an example of what it takes for you to set up this, just a couple of lines of codes, and you can have this amazing chat. Definitely the data has to be in a certain format for you to be able to let the chat or have the chat appear. If it doesn't match the format, then it's not going to appear. So you want to have this, you can go ahead and check out the setup. This is the data format the chat needs to have, and these are the actions that can be performed using the chat. So you can go ahead, when you hover over the chat, you're going to see some additional information showing here small radius and so on and so forth. So continuing, let's look at some of the other charts you can have. You can have these floating bars, you can have some horizontal bars, stacked bars, stacked bar chart with groups, and so much. So in order to have this appear, you want your data to be in JSON format with some specific label names. So you can have line charts as well. Let's check out some line charts, the different line charts, and then some other charts as well. You can have some bubble charts representing different, different information. A combo of charts, a donut shaped chart, multi-series chart, a pie chart, a polar area centered point labels, radar chart. So as you can see, it is a whole bunch of charts you can generate with this framework, with this library. So many charts you can go on to generate and show all the information you want to show. So it's an amazing library you definitely want to check out. So if you're building, for example, an admin panel, definitely there's going to be some metrics you want to show and showcase in this way. So you have to make use of them. So there are so many charts. Definitely you can't go through all of them, but I just wanted to give you an idea of this framework and how it works. So it doesn't take much, just a few lines of code that you need, plus the setup. So your data is going to be formatted in a specific way, and once you integrate it into your project, you can have a chat appear. It's responsive and it's amazing. So there's an API as well, and there's an ecosystem, and it's a developing project, so it's continuously maintained. So new chats are being added, new informations are being added, and you definitely want to make use of this. So you can have controls over the animations, you can have control over the colors, you can have control over the shape sizes, and virtually every aspect of this plugin. So you definitely want to check out this one. So getting started is quite easy. All you need to do is to integrate it. The installation process, you can find it in this docs, npm install chat.js. That's it, and you have it installed. If you don't want it installed, you can use the CDN or you can use the JS deliverer. Definitely check out the project as well on GitHub. It's easily accessible. So once you have it installed, integrating it becomes as simple as this. Either you use the scripts at the bottom of your HTML document, or you just use import chat from chat.js auto. That's all you need to do. Then the step-by-step guide is quite easy to follow, so you can have these amazing charts on your project today. So definitely check out this library. I'm sure you're going to like it. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. Catch you on the next one.